Symptoms of iodine deficiency. Iodine is essential for thyroid function and metabolism. A deficiency can cause several health issues, including 1. Goiter, swollen thyroid gland. The thyroid enlarges in an attempt to trap more iodine, leading to visible neck swelling.
2. Unexplained weight gain. A slow metabolism due to low thyroid hormone levels can cause weight gain. Three, fatigue and weakness. Low thyroid function leads to decreased energy levels, making you feel tired. For hair thinning or hair loss. Iodine is crucial for hair follicle health, and deficiency can cause hair shedding. Dry, flaky skin. Low iodine levels affect cell regeneration, leading to dry and rough skin. Six, feeling cold often. A slow metabolism reduces heat production, making you more sensitive to cold. Seven, slow heart rate. Severe iodine deficiency can lower heart rate, causing dizziness or fatigue. 8. Difficulty learning and poor memory. Iodine is essential for brain function. Iodine is essential for brain function, and a deficiency can impair cognitive abilities. Nine, depression or mood swings. Low thyroid hormones can lead to mood imbalances, including depression. Pregnancy complications. Iodine deficiency during pregnancy can cause developmental issues in the baby, including brain damage and stunted growth. Summary. Iodine deficiency affects thyroid function, leading to symptoms like weight gain, fatigue, hair loss, and cognitive issues. In severe cases, it can cause goiter and pregnancy complications. Ensuring sufficient iodine intake through iodized salt, seafood, and dairy helps prevent these health risks.